Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how to add photos to an album on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to do this, just go to your photos. Now after going to your photos, in the bottom third option here you can see albums. Click on it, and after clicking on album, just select the album that you want to add photos, just like I'm selecting this one. And after selecting the album, here you can see there is a plus icon beside your photos. Just click on that plus icon and add the photo. Here you can see I have selected 3 photos, and after that click the top right add, and here you can see the 3 photos has been added to the album. So guys, that's how you can add photos to an album on iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to just get future update about tech, then hit the bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching the video.